Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. We'll be looking at how to say more French vocabulary and food names in particular. So this is the name of a dessert, the Christmas log or the Yule log if you prefer. So how do you say it? In French it's said as bûche. Bûche, I know the U sound from French is very specific. You can say bouche, although bouche means mouth in French, so that's a bit confusing, but bûche, bûche de Noël. Noël is Christmas in French. Bûche de Noël, bûche de Noël. So in English, bûche de Noël. It's maybe as close as you can get it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Can you pronounce it correctly? Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support and I hope it was useful. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.